Hello and welcome back to the step-by-step HTML tutorial series for beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how to add images to our website. We are going to learn two different ways to add images to our website. The number one way is attaching image from our own computer, and the other one is attaching image from other resources. So throughout our tutorial series, step-by-step tutorial series, we have came across to this page where we have created two different lists. The number one is here, as you can see, ordered list. For this reason, we have got these numberings, and the other one is an unordered list, and we mostly use unordered list to create navigation menus to our websites. So if you have missed any one of these previous videos, I'm going to attach the link into the video description for you to check them out. So without further ado, let's just start adding images into this web page. So let's say I want, as you can see, list of high income skills to learn. We have got the header, and then we have got this listing, software and web development, and now I want an image to be added just under this software and web development written here. Okay, so let me show you how to add our image from our computer at first. So let's move on to the codes, and if you just notice, here is the line where we have got software and web development with these details, and now I have to give an enter, and then we'll have a space to add our image. To add an image to a web page, we have to use img tag, which is a self-closing tag. So let me show you. I'm going to take an angle bracket here, and then I'm going to type out img, and I'm going to enter, actually select this one so that we'll have the syntax. As you can see, img, then we have to provide the resource, src meaning resource, from where our image is going to be attached into our web page. So here, as I am going to attach the image from our own computer, so let me show you here. I have got this index.html file on the same folder, and then along with this HTML file, I have got an image file, as you can see, webdevelopment.jpg. And to add this image to our web page, we have to give the exact name which it is written. Okay, so we have to spell exactly, we have to give all the formattings exactly. All right, so let me show you what and how we have to do that. So let's see what it is written here, web_development.jpg. so let's move back here. So I'm going to type out web_development.jpg, and now if I just save this document by hitting Ctrl+S into my computer, and then if I go back to the web page and reload this page, just take a look. We have got a big fat image added here. So we have to work on this image to make it look nicer on our web page. So let's do this. We have to go back again, and while we add an image to any of the web page, we should have an alternative text, and I have just entered alt, and as you can see, it's just came along with the attribute suggestion. So let's select this one. So we'll have the syntax, as you can see, equal to double quotation. The alternative text should be available here, and I'm going to show you the example here. So first of all, web development, let's say tutorial as an alternative text here, and then if I just save this file, now if I just reload this page, it's as it was before. But let's make a mistake here. I'm going to add an extra s, which is a wrong name of the file. So let's save this file, and if I reload this page now, then we are seeing that an error here. As you can see, the image has been broken, and then we have got this text, web development tutorial. So now you might going to ask me, why should you use this alternative text? Alternative text are used for the number one purpose is, if for some reason the image is broken, people's or the readers should see that this image was about this subject. And the other reason is, our website has visitors who has like sight disability, they don't see anything, so they use screen readers to read our blog post, and when screen readers come across to our web page, the screen readers will tell them that this image was about this subject. So that was the other reason. So now let me do the correction here, and I'm going to make it as it is written here on our original document, and then let's save this file here, Ctrl+S, and now if I just reload here, it is going to work nicely. Okay, so now it's time to make this little smaller so that it will look nicer on our web page, and let's do this, and let me show you how to do. So here, after alternative attribute and the value, we have to go here, and then let's give a space, and then we have to give the width, width attribute, and then we have to give the value. So let's say I want to give this image a size of 400 pixels, and let's save this document and let's reload this one. Just take a look, we have got a beautiful image added into our web page. And now let me show you how to add an image into our web page from an external resource. For example, if I want to add an image for entrepreneurship, so let's copy this name and then I'm going to make a Google search using this, and I'm going to get some image from online, and let's go here and let's take this image as an example. Or actually, I'm actually a bold person, so I'd love to go with this one. So click on the right button of your mouse and then copy image address, as you can see here, and then we have to go back to the code, and let's say I want to add an image under this line, entrepreneurship. So let's give an enter and then take image tag again, img, and then we have to provide the source which we have copied. So the link of this image is our image source. Okay, so let's go back here, we are going to paste it here, and then we have, if we just save this file, Control S, we are going to get this image loaded into our web page. Just take a look, a beautiful smile of this bald man. So let's give the correct width so that it will be matching up with our previous image as well. So let's move back here. First of all, we are going to take alternative text, entrepreneurship, and then we have to give our width, which is going to be 400 pixels, as we have given to our previous image. So 400 pixels, and then let's save this image and let's reload this page again. Just take a look how beautifully they matched up with each other. So this was the process of adding image to our website from our own computer and from any other online resources. And in our next video, we are going to learn how to link these text and how to link these images as well. So I believe I was able to give you a clear understanding on how to add image to your web page. And if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like. Let me know your opinion by commenting below, and share this video to help your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more web design and web development tutorials in future uploads. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.